This is why you should never assume when your family member is in a car accident that it's just an accident. We're looking at cable barriers on Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania, east and westbound between Pittsburgh and Youngstown. You can see that the post that's holding up and maintaining the tension in these cable barriers, they are severely rusted out at the bottom, right? And so as a result of this rust, you can also see that the posts are starting to lean as a result of the tension. So now this cable barrier is severely compromised because it doesn't have the strength it's supposed to have, because the bottom of the post are rusting out. So the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation needs to get out here and inspect all of their cable barriers along Interstate 376 between Pittsburgh and Youngstown, Ohio.